So hi folks, today I continue on the job for clearing the old kind of fencing wall. This was stone fencing wall that was determining kind of a small old road where only like donkeys and horses were passing by through here. This was a small road, and so no horse cars were passing by, from here. But this wall was messing with the place where I want my first wall to be. This is going to be the western wall. Over there is south, east, north, and here is west. So this is going to be the western wall of my Eco Workshop. Now I'm clearing a little bit more of this wall, and on the way I am sorting, small stones. These small stones I'm sorting for the future drainage system on the bottom of the trenches for the base wall. You know what I mean? So these stones will be pressed under, on the bottom of the trenches. Today I started a little bit digging already for the trench. I want to see something like a beginning of a trench already here. Although I have to finish like 1 meter from this clearing of the old side road wall. But anyway, I'm gonna finish this soon. For now, I wanted to start forming the trench. It's slowing me down, the sorting of the smaller stones. This is slowing me down a little bit, but for an Eco House project, for an Eco Cob House project, in the case now, this is the first phase of my Eco project. You can check my playlist, Eco Cob House and Workshop project. All the videos about this future Cob House and future workshop, Cob Workshop, you can find in that playlist. And of course, the first phase is this end of summer and the whole of autumn. I hope until, because they say the winter is not gonna come soon. It's gonna be milder and more warmer autumn. So in the autumn, I hope until the end of November, probably, if the weather is good, to finish this Cob Workshop. That is going to be like 5 by 5 meters, So this sorting of the small stone is slowing me down, but this is extremely important because when I sort these stones, I will have available material that is needed for the bottom of the trenches. Why do we need this? Oh my God! Don't worry, this is a stone that I throw from up there. Check my previous videos. I got scared, folks. I put some stone, I source natural stone that I throw from up there from our neighbor's place, because it's flat there and I park my car there, and it's like 50 meters above here. And I throw some stones from there, and sometimes they stuck to some bush or something, and one stone just unstuck itself, and I thought it's gonna be an animal, and no bears around, I hope, guys. Anyway, so I was telling you about this small stone. Is very important because this will save me. First, we need to make a Cob house that is the most cheapest possible. That's my first goal. More probably, yeah, my first goal. But my both first goals are also to be the most eco-friendly as possible. Those two goals, the most cheapest possible and the most eco-friendly possible, is my very, very important goals. And that's why, in order to save material, to save money and emissions from sourcing material, some quarry to source for me material for the trench, small stones, I need to buy this, and also I need to pay for the transport for them to bring this to here. And like now when I source my stone, when I am gathering my stone here, I can show you. I won't pay this transport, and you know, I'm sourcing now another one over there on the both sides of the building site. So this is going to save me, as I was telling you, a lot of money. This is going to save me money, and of course is going to save me emissions, how to say this. We are gonna be more eco-friendly like that, because we will save from fuel for the truck to bring this material to here. That's why it might be a little bit slower for me to separate the smaller stones that I need for the trench bottom, but this way I save money, I give a little bit more time, but we also save the nature. We help nature because we don't support the quarries, the local quarries that dig the ground for such things. Or also sometimes they take this small stone from riverbeds, and when they take this, the government gives them allowance. They dig from the riverbed and they destroy the ecosystems of the animals and the plants, you know, which is also not good. That's why for me I'm very happy that I source this stone patiently. I know it's gonna take time. Probably I'm gonna be needing probably 2 weeks to make the trenches. Then I hope about the end of November. I still have a lot of time. These are a lot of days and weeks until the end of November. Hopefully the weather in November will also be warmer, milder, but for September and October the local scientists say, the local meteorologists say that it's not gonna be very, you know, it's not gonna be very rainy, so that's why I want to use the time. And I'm still digging bigger stones from the base of this old fencing stone wall that was here. But like over here already I am digging mostly dirt and very small stones. It's kind of sandstone. Here I found another big stone. So I also, this is going to be for compost. I am gathering over there, like, you know, grass, bush, roots and such things, and this is going to serve like compost material later when I make somewhere compost pit, you know. And here is one big stone. I also wanted to tell you another thing. The dirt I take out, I'm gonna have to put like over here to straighten the future place, you know. Also we will have to take a little bit of dirt from this little slope and take it here to make it straight, but I'm not gonna dig too much there, like 30-40 centimeters down, in order to, I want to the whole workshop to stay elevated, the most elevated possible to the slope, because to capture the best view, you know. That is another thing I wanted to tell you. Also, because there's gonna be a lot of material coming out of all the four trenches, like 16 centimeters wide, like 50 centimeters deep, 5 meters. This is 20 meters altogether. It's gonna be a lot of material. It's gonna be pretty much enough for here. So the rest of it, because it's good material for the cup material that's gonna be used to make the walls for the future, in this case the future workshop. So yep, folks, basically, you know, it can take you a lot of time for you to build your cup house. You have to be determined, you have to be patient, and of course you must want it very much, because if you don't have the dream so hard in your soul, you will never have the patience to do the job, you know. For me, I've been dreaming this since I was in the Netherlands about specifically this Cob project. But before that, I've been dreaming to have my kind of house on this place on the land of our family. Like many years ago, I've been dreaming about this. But first, I wanted to make this workshop this end of summer and this autumn 2025. And in the spring 2026, we are going to start the house part, the Cob house, which will be like over there. It will be next, kind of next to the workshop. And the main big window will be towards the, let me show you. You can check my previous videos in the Eco Cob House and Workshop playlist. You can see this is going to be, here is the the wall where the big window will be, and this is going to be the view from here. Also, from there we will be observing the full moon rising, sometimes from there depending the season. Also the sunrise is from there. This is the east part, so there's gonna be amazing full moon rises here and sunrises here. This is gonna be just amazing, folks. So yes, let me leave the tripod. The tripod was something like here. Okay, for now I'm going to continue digging, folks. Thank you so much to everybody who supports my channel on YouTube and also everywhere else online, like in Twitter, Facebook and TikTok. Thank you folks for your help. I want to thank specifically to everybody who is subscribed already. 786 people of you subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, folks. Thanks for the support, and thanks to everybody who is commenting, sharing the videos on YouTube, and also everybody who is here to watch, of course. Please, those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe for more tips and more information about this Eco Cob House project, and also my mountain hiking adventure videos. Plus sometimes I make craft and art videos because I'm an artist from Bulgaria. Those of you who don't know me, my name is Hristo, and it was an honor for me to talk to you today. And I go back to work. See you in my next video. Bye, folks.